it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today I went to Aldi. I spent $84, and here's what I got. Giant bag of potatoes was $3.99. I got some chips for taco salad, and then I got some bread. I make my own bread sometimes, but my husband likes store-bought, so there we go. I got some yogurt. I'm gonna be making more yogurt with the local milk that I get today. Lunch meat for my husband. I got some Colby cheese. This makes for some pretty good grilled cheese sandwiches. And then I got some cheddar for like taco salad or that sort of thing. And then I got some mozzarella as well. This was a treat. This is actually way cheaper at Aldi than it is at some other places. No, this isn't local. It was $11, but this is for Valentine's Day dinner, and I think my husband will very much appreciate it. There was no Kerrygold, no! So I just got some regular sweet cream salted butter. Got one thing of cream cheese. I love their gluten-free pasta if you're looking for a gluten-free pasta. The brown rice and quinoa pasta is really good. There's also like a brown rice pasta that you can buy at like some other grocery stores. It's pretty good. This is their brand, and I like this one. I also got their salsa. My son said it's kind of spicy, but it's mild. I don't think it's very spicy. I also got their salmon. I have a salmon patties recipe I will link. I got some black olives. I got some light olive oil that I use to make mayonnaise or ranch dressing. I will link my mayonnaise recipe video in the description box. And I got some strawberries and some almond bark chocolate. This is actually cheaper per ounce than chocolate chips, so that's what I got, and the ingredients are basically the same as just chocolate chips. So my son already got into them, and they don't even look that great. I'm kind of disappointed. I really wanted to do chocolate covered strawberries, and I think with all the chocolate you won't even notice if the strawberries aren't like perfect. So some corn to go with our ribs. And my son mentioned wanting bell peppers, so I got these. Avocados, we're gonna put this on some toast and put the bagel seasoning on top. It's really good. I mentioned that in a Trader Joe's haul from one of my January hauls. We like doing that. Got some apples. I did get these organic. We got some Cara oranges. These are like rosy on the inside. I think my daughter will think that's cool. And I got a mango. It's been a while since I've had a fresh mango, and I think this will be ripe in a day or two. So. Then I got some organic carrots, and that's everything. So now I will show you what I got. My produce haul and a few things that I made this week. And let me know if you like this format of like a haul and my produce and a few things that I made. Let me know in the comments.
What we got in our basket today, along with 4 dozen eggs and 2 cream top low temp pasteurized milk, half gallons. So here we got some sweet potatoes, some broccoli, some strawberries, which look amazing, and then we have carrots, which are the teeniest cute little carrots with the tops, and then we have cauliflower, this awesome purple kale that I love, and then I think this is kohlrabi. Maybe not. Let me know in the comments if you know what it is. I will write it right here somewhere. But anyways, I'm pretty excited about the haul today. We're gonna make some yogurt with the milk. Enjoy the eggs.
So I am making some paleo tortillas. They're made with tapioca flour and coconut flour mix, and then like other ingredients like eggs and oil and that sort of thing. But anyways, that's what we're making. We're having some Taco Tuesday. So it's got kind of like a soft, spongy, not really spongy, I don't know, soft, really pliable texture. So it's not like the heartiest thing ever, but it's wrappable and it doesn't have a weird taste at all. So it's a plus. I like it. And then we have some taco meat that I made a couple days ago, and so it was in the fridge. And then this is obviously from Aldi, if you shop at Aldi. And then I'm putting a little bit of lettuce on there, and then I don't have any sour cream or cheese, and so I've never done this before, but I put cottage cheese on it, and it actually tasted pretty good. So if you're out of sour cream and cheese, cottage cheese actually tasted pretty good. My friend from Inspired to Health and I have an ongoing joke. It's my little segment called Juli Makes Do with What She Has. So this is like part of that series. I love it so much.